Murugameni munene wa Mbondi no mwena wa gicwa-ini Bonaventure Kioko uri ratongoretie birigiceni no mwena wa Mombatha ni erumite keni akiuga wendia wa mikwa ya thinema mugaru na watho ndugwitikirio ringi mwena ucio kuria hitite gutwarithia birigiceni yo kaunti-ini cia Kwale, Kilifi na Taita Taveta nigwo guthaitira athondeki ya thinema icio makiria guku bururi-ini aria makoretwo magitara hathara kumana na kunyamario ni turianime.
Today we've started our operation to test the compliance with the Film and Stage Plays Act, Chapter 2 laws of Kenya. And it is very clear that many of the exhibitors have not complied with that regulation. We had instructed them to comply with ensuring that they sell, for one, local content. Secondly, they ensure that their content is affixed with the right classification labels.
Oho ni augite wendia wa thinema cia Google kuma bururi uturigainie wa Tanzania ni uthiete thi na gikiro kinene no ningi ni acakaite kumana na wongerereku wa wici wa thinema na nyimbo kugerera mitambo ya kiriu ya ukinyaniria mugaru na watho kuria riu oritie muingi wikare cemba na uhure riboti kuri Mbondi no kana maabitha borithi mwena ucio mangiona mundu urahura biacara yo ya wendia wa thinema mugaru na watho niguo moerwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
What we'll do is we find you with smuggled content, we arrest you. We would not like to know. We will not want to know where have you gotten that content from. Ours will be dealing with the content wherever we find it.
Kumana na birigiceni ino matuka maingi maria marekwirwo guthagania ciiko ici ni mahingitwo na endia magethara. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.